My name is Bosisa Mthethwa. I'm an HIV/AIDS counselor and a life skill coordinator. There are many problems that our primary schools or our teenagers are facing. We have a lot of teenage pregnancy in our society. We have people who are getting HIV, more infections we are getting, and other sexually related diseases. Because the program on its own, it targets these issues, which makes young people to ask, what am I gonna do now? Because I'm not gonna be influenced by my peers. I'm not gonna go to do drugs because other people are doing it. I have to do things for myself, because whatever I'm doing now, it will affect myself now and my future. We will have a society in future free from HIV and AIDS. As a young person myself, I grew up in a very difficult situation and I faced lots of challenges. At home, we were like, now we do. There were a lot of siblings. In a way, they couldn't control or teach us in a proper way. So I grew up learning things on my own and I faced lots of challenges. So when I finished matric, I said these young people, they need sort of a mentor, a person who can guide them along the way, because you will find out that in young people there's lots of potential, but it needs someone who has a passion. Well, I have a passion for young people, I can say, because it is not about money that I'm working with young people. It's about the change and impact that I am doing every day. I sit down and say, I thank God for such a heart He gave me and for such knowledge in working with kids, because to me it's a satisfaction on its own to work with kids and to see them prospering and being successful.